We are at the show, so we're going to start off with this V10 Audi R8. As you can see, it's completely packed here. It's good to get out. Got all the Mopars lined up here. Check out this slammed Accord. Bag riders. Man, that's sick. Man, I really love these 240s. I could definitely see myself getting one of those. Check out the Skyline. So clean. Really love this IS300 right here. It's got the carbon fiber fenders. Wow. Yeah, that's super clean. Check out this jacked up CRV with a snorkel on it. That's freaking awesome. Right next to the Subi. These are freaking sick. Two old school Corollas. Man, you never see these things. Wow. This is a 1983. Super clean. Hey, got a nice twin here. Little silver 86 with the facelift. Looks like we got a die-hard Carolina Panther fan here. Probably what my mom wishes she could do to her car. Look out. Predator 704. Whoa. That is pretty sick. Of course, we've got the Mercedes 300, the bumpy sticker, and a sheepy race logo. Nice. Didn't even see this. The hood exit hater pipe on the diesel here. Look out. That is awesome. Got another Nissan 240 here. Some really wide tires. I think these things would be super fun. Got the parking. Sounds really, really good. I didn't realize I kind of parked in the Subi road here. Got all the WRXs. Got a very nice Type R. G37, or G35 rather. He just picked us up this morning. And of course we got the Subaru. Surprised everybody with my Lambo doors when I pulled up. Got a wide body FRS. And a very clean BRZ TS with the Pikachu sticker. Forgot to get this Mustang on camera. Check out all this crazy artwork on there. Completely slammed. Holy cow. I like that. That's pretty funny. Missing Ford. And of course, we got the lineup of all the Type R's there. I really love those cars. And check out this Porsche. We see him at every show, but it never gets old. Completely skipped over this HHR with the crazy wrap turbo. It's actually really clean. Very nice M6. Carbon fiber Dawn M60. A very, very loud Mustang. 3070 just went by, sounded like a gunshot. Sounds like everybody is two-stepping now. This thing sounds crazy. Will he do it? That is nuts. That is ridiculous. That's nuts. Yeah. I think you win. That sounds crazy. Two-tone scat pack. Very well done. Got All the BMWs lined up. Of course, detail garage right over there. It's a shout out to them for putting on this show. Oh shit. Oh my god. Wow. Check out that. Really love the color on that FRS. Very sweet. I've never seen one in that color. Very nice 300. Holy cow. Very clean. Police officers have just pulled in, so see if anybody acts out now. Somebody else is two-stepping like crazy. Oh, it's that M again. I think it's so loud. Some more Mopars rolling in. They got a Demon up there. Crazy Cherokee. Daytona 345. smoking rubber on the street on both sides and down there. Down there doing it again.
did a pull at the wrong time. That was horrible timing. And we got the demon launching. police officers here now, so it's safe to say the show is over. But anyways, that was an awesome meet. I was not expecting everybody to go crazy like that. If you do like today's content, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Peace.